I honestly do believe that natural hair is more comfortable than braids or than any other form of protective styling like wigs, or something in that sense, because being able to wash from the tip of your head to the last toe, I think it's very refreshing generally. You can remember when you were a kid and you had short hair or you had like very little hair, washing from your head to your toe was generally refreshing and extremely comfortable as well, right? So braids generally have an itching effect, like be it not the scalp. If those braids get onto your skin anywhere, they do have an itching effect, right? Because it's a synthetic material, as well as wigs. So that's why you find women hitting their heads and scratching and doing all of these things. And because of this, they are just being generally uncomfortable. But because they've been taught to think that, oh my God, having your natural hair is not easy, right? They don't have enough information about it, so they just find it hard and complicated, full stop. They do not take time to research about it. So they are stuck into these loops and into these episodes of constantly scratching and hitting their heads. Because those wigs come with heat, they come with expenses, right? And then they also come with uncomfortability because that's not your hair. You're just generally gluing something on top of your head. Yeah, so I don't have anything on wigs, right? Put it on once in a while. I don't think I have a problem with that. But the problem that I'm stating out is people who do not have an option, or who feel like their hair cannot be seen outside because they only have wigs as an option.